1080 30 fps ay malinaw na siya, guys. Diba? Perfect na perfect. So, diba ang linaw niya, guys? Hello everyone, it's Megan Kel and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I made a vlog and for today's video ay samahan niyo ako dahil itetesting natin ang Infinix Zero 35G na camera. So as you guys know na itong Infinix Zero 35G ay vlogging camera yung kiniklaim niya. Vlog camera yung nakalagay dun sa kanyang packaging, which is ito. And ngayon nga ay itetest out natin kung totoo nga bang maganda to for vlogging. So if you guys are curious and interested, then please do keep on watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button below and also the bell button for you guys to be notified every time I upload a video. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. Nasa roof deck naman ako ngayon, guys, and as you can see, natural light na ito. And actually guys, may filter ito. At ito yung kagandahan sa kanyang features, may mga filter siya, built-in filters. Ngayon nga guys ay nasa elevator ako at ito yung kanyang quality kapag nandito sa, parang hindi naman siya yung natural light, parang coming from the fluorescent light. And ito nga guys, tinetest out natin yung kanyang stabilization. So ayan guys, no. So let's see kung maalog ba, 'di ba? Dito tayo sa artificial light lang, no. And ito naman yung video kung saan rear camera naman yung ginamit ko sa stabilization. And also ayan din yung kanyang itsura kapag gabi and low light. And sinabi ko nga kanina guys na meron siyang iba't ibang mga filters. So ito yun. And guys, marami pa ito mga resolution. Meron itong 4K 60fps, 4K 30fps, 1080p, 60fps, and 1080 30fps, which is ito yung gamit ko ngayon guys. Diba? Ito pa lang 1080 30fps ay malinaw na siya guys. Diba? Diba? Nakaka-fresh talaga yung kanyang built-in filter na hindi mo masyadong mahalata. Actually guys, I'm not that techy talaga. Pero, itong nabili kong Infinix Zero 35G, I highly recommend kasi talagang meron siyang clear na skin mo. As you guys can see, sun case, di mo kaya. And also, malinaw talaga siya in fairness, both rear and front camera. Itong 1080p 30fps ay swak na swak talaga. How much more kung 4K pa talaga yung resolution na sinet mo. So this is the 4K 60fps. Diba ang linaw niya guys? As you guys can see, talagang yung imperfection natin nakitang-kita. So ito naman guys, yung 4K 30fps. As you guys can see, talagang napakalinaw niya. Wow! Talagang parang detailed. Kaya pa niya hanggang dun sa dulo. Diba? Perfect na perfect. So, I hope guys na nakita niyo na ang iba't ibang mga quality or resolutions ng Infinix Zero 35G. So, once again, I highly recommend this phone. Talagang totoong for vlogging siya. Vlogging camera nga ito guys. For only 14,999 ko siya napili, almost 15K. Pero, I think this is worth it. It's worth the price and worth the money, no? So, talagang ispend nyo na ang inyong money sa quality camera ng Infinix Zero 35G. So thank you guys for watching.